Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship cancers, we are picking these cards, guys. I have a special pick a card love reading today, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So, if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys, Cancers. So let's start with these cards here. We have 7 of Pentacles in reverse, 8 of Cups in reverse, 3 of Swords in reverse, 4 of Pentacles, sorry guys, and 3 of Pentacles in reverse. So Cancers, in your situation, guys, it may be in your relationship or it may be in your career situation. You have a lot of dreams, goals, and you have achieved a few. You are happy for whatever you have achieved or whatever goals you have reached, but you are still planning, waiting for things to come your way. Maybe you are expecting certain things in your situation, guys. Maybe some offers in your work situation, some opportunities. So you are waiting for something today, maybe in your work or it may be in your relationship. And Cancers, today you are someone who is really dedicated, devoted to your work, but people in your situation, maybe in your work or personal life, they are not dedicated like you and they are least bit bothered about you. So they are quite irresponsible or careless, and their attitude is making you worried. You do not want to do your work or share your ideas with this person, but you are unable to do so because you are working with them or you are with them in this relationship. So you find it really hard, and you are someone who has firm beliefs or ideals for yourself, and you do things in a particular way. You cling to your ideas or the rules, you never give them up, and certain things you follow strictly, guys, and you never give up the faith you have on those ideals. And maybe this person does not have anything of that sort, so it is making you stressed and worried, and you feel that you cannot relate with this person in any way, and you want them to change for you, but it is a difficult situation, guys. So you are unable to change them, maybe for some of you. But for some of you, whatever troubles you are seeing in this relationship, or it may be in your work situation, whatever worries you are seeing today, guys, your circumstance is changing bit by bit today, guys. And maybe if you are in separation, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a temporary separation, maybe the time of breakup is coming to an end, and this person is coming back to you. So your past person may come back. They want to make amends and reconcile with you, and you are celebrating something, happy for something. So there may be great changes you can expect in your work situation or in your relationship, Cancers. And things are going to change for you, guys. Things are going to change, and you are going to be really happy for the way things are in your life today, guys, Cancers. So though you are facing some difficulties today, very soon your situation is changing. You need not worry, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Cancers, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your relationship and career situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have 2 cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose these 2 cards, the first card is for your relationship and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level, and that person leaves a mark in our life and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first 2 cards, that is the reading. So for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys, turquoise, and this is for your career situation. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much, and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did, and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship, and you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success, just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.